Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to mix nail polish properly for the best color. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Now, many people, when they're mixing their nail polish, will simply shake it, and that's a great method. It does indeed work, but when you shake the nail polish, okay, you can cause air bubbles to form in the nail polish. And those air bubbles in the nail polish can affect the color or the application of the nail polish onto your nails. So, does it mean that when you shake the nail polish, it's automatically going to produce a worse color and a worse application? No, it does not mean that, but it means it increases the likelihood that the color and the application of the nail polish will be affected in a negative way. So how can you mix the nail polish and get the best color in terms of increasing the likelihood that the color and the application will be as successful as it can possibly be? Well, it's really, really simple. You take the nail polish, you put it between the palms of your hands, and you roll that nail polish between your palms, just like that. By rolling that nail polish between your palms, you're going to mix it up nicely, and you're going to decrease the likelihood that air bubbles will form. And by doing that, you're going to increase the likelihood that you're going to get the best color and the best application that you can possibly get. Does it mean that it's going to work guaranteed and that it's, completely foolproof? No. It's not. It doesn't mean it's going to work guaranteed, but it increases the likelihood that you're going to get the best color and the best application that you can possibly get out of that bottle. Obviously, the quality of your nail polish in terms of the bottles, some bottles might be older, might be outdated, so obviously, you're just going to get the best possible scenario in terms of likelihood of the color being great and the application being great. It also depends, like I said, on the nail polish quality, on the age of the nail polish, on the temperature of the nail polish. There's so many other factors. But when it comes to mixing nail polish, with regards to shaking it or rolling it between your palms, rolling it between the palms is going to increase the likelihood of everything going well and smoothly with regards to the color and the application of the nail polish. And shaking it is going to give you less likelihood of it, going as smoothly. So we're talking about terms of likelihood, and likelihood is you want the best likelihood that you're going to get the best color and the best application from that nail polish. Okay, you can't change the nail polish, you can't change the age of the nail polish, you can't really change the temperature if you're going to apply it right now. You can't really change much, but you can change how you mix it, and you might as well mix it in the way that's going to increase the likelihood that it's going to go as well as it can possibly go. And that's the way that you do it, rolling it between your palms. It's literally that simple. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.